Hey guys, welcome to a bonus video. I'm Kristen with another Chance Resale, and we are going to be unboxing and reviewing Noyz fragrance. Now, I did do an unboxing and review for this brand once before. I will link the video up above if you want to check that out. I have been literally loving their fragrance. I currently have two of them, Love Club and Shitty Day, and I literally wear them every day. I wear Shitty Day more, but I love it. So what's really cool about Noyz is, firstly, they have a quiz on their website that can help you find the right scent for you. And their products are cruelty-free and vegan, and their boxes that the fragrance come in are made from recycled paper, and the glass that the bottles are made from are recycled glass as well, which means you can unscrew the cap when you are finished with the fragrance, wash it, and recycle the bottle. The cap and the spritzer part can be recycled at Ulta, where they do a recycling program. So that is just amazing, and you guys know I love a sustainable company and someone that really helps with the environment. They are also partners with two different foundations. Let me read it because I don't want to mess anything up. They are partners with the JED Foundation and the Campaign Against Living Miserably, which is also known as CALM. These are two organizations that drive awareness and provide important services, resources, and tools to support mental health. Together, they hope to unfilter what's been considered normal and move away from the I'm fine narrative and help each other get through helping each other get through great along with the not so great. So really great company. Let's get into the unboxing. They reached out to me again to review a fragrance, and I believe this one is different. The first time I did the regular pump spray and a solid fragrance stick. Let's see what this one is. And this is perfectly for the holidays. These make great stocking stuffers or just a regular gift in general. So this one is called Unmute, and it is, let's see, I think it's, yeah, okay, so it's more like this. It's kind of more like a travel one, easy to slip in your purse, easy to slip into a suitcase or, carry-on or something like that, because especially carry-ons have to be, the liquid has to be under 3 ounces. This is 0.5. So, and the top is a spray. So this one is Black Plum, Cashmere Woods, Madagascar Vanilla, and Crisp Amber. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. So I like a very crisp and fresh scent. I'm not really one that likes the sweet scents. I like more of a clean, fresh, easy scent. And a lot of their fragrances check all those boxes. So if you want something that's not so sweet and in your face, then this is a great product for you. This is amazing. This I even think can be great on a man as well. It's not manly, but it has that, just a chill scent to it. I definitely smell a little bit of the vanilla, and I don't really know what Cashmere Woods is supposed to smell like, but it does have a little bit of a woody scent, but it's honestly amazing. I have not liked any of their fragrances so far, so I can honestly say that I do really like this one. And you guys know me, I will not review a product and bring it to you if I do not like it, okay? So you will never see the fails. You will only see the ones that are Kristen D approved. So I will have a direct link for this one in the comment section. I will also have a link to a few others that you can check out. I will receive a little bit of a commission for any of the purchases that are made through my links. If you find something on the website that I did not link personally. I can get a link for it. If you would like to help me out with a commission, just let me know and I can get a link created like instantly. So great gift idea, great stocking stuffer. I am so happy to be like a brand ambassador, I can say, for this company because I just love it. So remember, vegan, cruelty-free, everything, all of their stuff is recyclable and from recycled materials. So can't beat that. Recyclable, recyclable, and then like I mentioned, Ulta does a special recycling program for this these tops. So that can be dropped off at any Ulta location. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions. I know from the last video, a few of you did purchase. Let me know how you're liking it. Which scents did you pick? This one is Unmute, and like I said, I have Love Club, and I also have Shitty Day, and I just think they're really fun names as well. So go check it out. The links will be in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Noyz for having trust in me to do another unboxing and review for you. All right, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.